How to upgrade the firmware in your MAG322 IPTV box. If you need to upgrade your MAG322 firmware manually, this is the process. But note that doing an upgrade to the latest firmware may block your box from using certain IPTV portals. First, you need to navigate to the System Settings page on your MAG322 box. Then scroll down to the Software Upgrade and press OK. Make sure there's an upgrade URL and press OK to verify, which brings up some details about the firmware that's in your box and what needs to be upgraded. Pressing the F1 button will start to upgrade the firmware in your box. Once the upgrade has been completed, the MAG322 box will reboot. You may find a privacy policy notice appears. Press OK to agree to that policy. And then your MAG322 box will reboot into your IPTV portal or into the inner portal on the box. And you have successfully upgraded the firmware in your MAG322 IPTV box.